Good day. Today we are going to learn about UV visible instrument Shimazu UV 1900 I series. It is a dual beam UV visible spectrophotometer. Internal parts consist of inbuilt light source 20 watts halogen lamp and deuterium lamp, monochromator holographic gratings, detector silicon photodiode. This is a mode menu screen. It is a power switch. It is a dual beam optical technology having measurable wavelength range 190 to 1100 nanometers, spectral bandwidth better than 1 nanometer, low stray light, improved data processing with USB memory, ultra fast scanning function. This is a sample compartment. Inside the sample compartment, you can see sample cell holder. It is a dual beam spectrophotometer, so both sample and blank can place at a time. Distance between two light beams are 100 mm. Before switch on the instrument, confirm that nothing is placed in the sample compartment and cell holder. Switch on the instrument, press on the power switch. The power is turned on. The screen to display initialization item appears and initialization and check are performed sequentially. Initialization requires approximately 2 minutes. To measure data stably on the instrument, it is recommended to warm up for 30 minutes or longer after power on. Do not open the sample compartment cover until the instrument initialization is completed. When the initialization of each item is successfully completed, the mode menu appears. Observe the initialization process. On the mode menu screen, 6 types of measurement modes and 5 types of function menus are available. Photometric mode, spectrum mode, quantitation mode, kinetics mode, time course mode, biomethod. 5 types of function menus are parameters file, data file, maintenance, PC control and general settings. Photometric mode measures the photometric value at a single wavelength or multiple wavelength. Single wavelength mode to measure sample at particular wavelength or one wavelength. Here you can select the specific wavelength. After selecting specific wavelength, auto 0 for blank and start measure the sample. Multiple wavelength mode. Measurements up to 8 designated wavelengths you can select. Here you can observe the selection of wavelengths. After selecting wavelengths, go for baseline correction and start measure the sample. In single wavelength and multiple wavelength modes, photometric modes are percentage transmittance or absorbance. Observe how wavelengths are selecting. Baseline correction for the selected wavelengths. Return to menu mode screen. Spectrum mode. It is for wavelength scanning over a continuous wide range, that is 190 nanometers to 1100 nanometers. Enter your wavelength range and scan speed and data interval. Return to menu mode screen. Quantitation mode. The quantitation mode is used to quantify an unknown sample by creating a calibration curve from the standard sample. Here measurement modes are 1 wavelength method, 2 wavelength method, 3 wavelength method, derivative quantitation. Return to menu mode screen. Kinetic mode. Displayed kinetics kinetic rate. In kinetics mode, you observe wavelength settings, time settings, activity calculation settings, sample name settings. The kinetic mode allows you to measure the changes in the absorbance which occur from enzyme reaction and to obtain the activity value of the enzyme. You can observe the modes of settings. Return to menu mode screen. Time course or time scan mode. This mode is used to measure the absorbance changes as a function of time. Here, measurement modes are absorbance, percentage transmittance and energy. Carefully observe the settings. Return to menu mode screen. Bio method mode. The bio method mode allows you to obtain the DNA and protein concentration using various quantitation methods. DNA quantitation, Lowry method, BCA method, CBB method, biuret method, UV method. The UV 1900i series is designed on-screen user interface includes large, easy-to-see icons deployed on a black background. The equipment is used for the analysis of sample in various fields like food analysis, pharmaceuticals, life sciences and chemistry. The UV 1900i series is designed to meet the needs of both high performance and usability.
Thank you for watching.